Our Hiligaynon word for the day is paaman. Paaman means to prepare, make, or get, or ready, to warn, to notify, or to inform. Let us have the following example sentences. Tungod sinigani, ginapaaman ko sa tanan nga. So for this very reason, I am warning or giving notice to everyone that. Tungod sini, because of this or for this reason, and then sa tanan is like for everyone. Tungod sinigani, ginapaaman ko sa tanan nga, and then the notice, it's like added there. Ginapaamanan niya nga daan sa akon nga, and then the statement in a way. So he or she had informed me beforehand that. So niya is he or she, it's gender neutral, and then akon is me, to me. So ginapaamanan niya nga daan sa akon nga. Another definition for paaman is that the word aman, it means to super or to add, to throw in, to give something over and above what is due or agreed upon, to let, to make, or to give such an addition. Let us have the following example sentences. Paamani siya sing isa ka gantang, see to it that he or she is given one ganta to the good for good measure into the bargain or for lack. So it's like on top. It's like an additional free. Paaman, isa is one, and then gantang is like a way of like way to weigh things that you buy maybe for rice. So paamani siya sing isa ka gantang. Ipaaman ko lang sa iya ining isa ka bulig nga saging. So I'll have this bunch of bananas thrown in for him or given to him for him or her for free. So saging is a banana, isa ka bulig is like the whole bunch of banana. So ipaaman ko lang sa iya ining isa ka bulig nga saging. Nagpaaman pagid siya sing isa ka gantang. So he or she is still asking for an additional ganta. Nagapaaman pagid siya sing isa ka gantang. And that is all about for our Hiligaynon word for the day, paaman.